Hello and welcome back. Hello, gorgeous souls, and welcome to the DIY Affiliate and Collective Soul Journey. I create stories and videos about the twin flame journey, energy, frequencies, and vibrations, and how they affect our daily lives. Just recently, I created a story about the law of perpetual transmutation, which says all persons have within them the power to change the conditions of their lives. High vibrations consume and transform lower ones, and each of us can change energies in our lives by understanding the universal laws and applying the principles in such a way as you are awakening to a twin flame or a soulmate or awakening to self. There are several stages that most people will go through. Normally, there are 6 stages in awakening and 7 stages in the twin flame journey experience. One of the stages of the twin flame journey is the runner and chaser stage. This stage is one you may go through more than one time, but numerous times. This is all part of the healing of you and your twin soul. It takes a healed feminine and a healed masculine energy to be successful in a twin flame experience. If you are a healed feminine or masculine and you attempt to be in union with your twin, who has not healed their deep-seated wounds, unfortunately, this is not possible. You may have done all the work in healing your soul's karma, but your partner has not. You will be creating more karma for yourself, and your intuition and even your contract with the spirit team may be looked at as being delusional. Sometimes when I am writing a story, it will start as a single topic and morph into something else as I meditate and go further into the 4D or inner reality, where there are not limited thoughts and anything is possible. When I am in the receiving mode, this is when the knowledge and the intuition is flowing with inspiration and impulsive thoughts that this is the message that I am sending out to a collective of people who are reading my stories and watching my videos. Then I will try to reconcile the topic with the download of information that I have received, and that is exactly what has happened today. Many different pieces fit together in a divine account or puzzle as we are going through an awakening. Here is a quick backstory about the different topics and levels of awareness and higher consciousness that are put together that I went through personally as part of my awakening, which started in 2003. But life just got in the way. It was not until 2019 that I again went through a new awakening, and this time it continued to lead me to the understanding that energy is everything, and everything has a vibration and frequency of its own, and that it sends out to the universe. The higher the frequency, the more distance in the physical and spiritual planes that can be reached. We are also transmuting the energy within us through our chakras and our thoughts, our auras. The lower chakras are on our physical plane dimensions as the root, sacral, and solar plexus, and the upper 4 chakras access the higher dimensions, such as heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakra. The higher the chakra in the body, the higher the dimensions that we can reach through our aura and the astral body. Our words break down into letters and numbers that have a vibrational frequency of their own. Therefore, our words are powerful, and we create our reality through our thoughts, emotions, and inspired actions, which also have a vibrational frequency of their own. Our physical body also carries different frequencies in each part and organ. So now is it fair to say we create our reality through our thoughts, feelings, and actions that we do daily? You can manifest anything into your life just by creating and harvesting the right energy to send out to the universe in an effortless way by using the law of gratitude. I have learned many secrets and insights from mostly personal experience, energy, and manifesting empowering knowledge. One thing I did forget is the catalyst. You must believe, backed by a deep, unwavering trust in the process. to stop the doubts, as they will disrupt the flow of energy so that it never develops into the manifestation. Always trust your intuition, even while people around you may say you are just wishing or it is just your imagination. The universe will respond to all the energy you send out in its own time, and it is not linear, but in the universe's time and according to the big picture. Belief helps you stay focused and grounded, and you will not be swayed. To feel the belief deep down within your core, not the negative self-talk or limited thinking. Also, using affirmations and creating an image instead of just a thought is called a thought form. And the image gives the thought density, and that is when the universe starts to work in your favor. Now add the emotion of gratitude, feeling grateful for your affirmation or soulmate or twin flame. You are now talking the universe's language, tapping into the law of attraction, the law of assumption, and the law of vibration, along with the law of divine oneness. Now you are attracting exactly the vibrational frequency you are sending out, just like a boomerang. Positive thinking and visualization repetitiously. See the image and turn it into a video using all the five senses in as much specific detail as possible. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference between what you are thinking and picturing and feeling grateful for you experiencing your desired outcome. Emotions also carry a vibrational frequency at various levels, and don't forget to take an inspired action in the direction of what is your desired outcome. This is creating a ripple effect with momentum and clarity and even more opportunities towards your desired outcome. Here is the energy frequency chart. This will tell you what frequency the different emotions vibrate at in hertz. The highest is 700 hertz, and this is enlightenment. So now that I have given you the tip of the iceberg of the knowledge of manifesting with the energy, you are transmuting, thus creating your reality based on your perception of manifesting what you desire into your life. This is aligning your energy with the desired outcome. Another part of the story is the law of conservation of energy that is becoming more recognized not only through the New Age movement or awakening to a twin flame or soulmate. The law of conservation of energy says energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. It's often referred to as the first law of thermodynamics. This law applies to all physical systems from atoms to galaxies. Now, to understand this new law, it says that energy cannot be created, and this is the interesting part and a new part of my puzzle of the awakening process. If we are not creating the energy within us through the chakras, then that must mean that the energy already exists and it is not something we create, as I previously thought was true, only transformed from one form to another. The second part of the law is we learn how to transmute this energy into negative or positive experiences into our life. The last part is it is often referred to as the first law of thermodynamics. This law applies to all physical systems from atoms to galaxies. So now the question is, am I a physical system? Yes, you and I and your soulmate or twin flame are a physical system. You are composed of countless atoms which interact and organize to form the complex structures and functions of your body. Your body is made up of different biological molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which are all composed of atoms. Your body experiences numerous chemical reactions. This is your metabolism to sustain your life. These reactions involve the interaction of atoms and molecules. Now, this sentence will tie everything all together in the divine account. You have physical properties such as your body mass, volume, and temperature that are determined by the interactions and arrangements of atoms. Therefore, you are a complex physical system capable of thought, emotion, and action. You can think, feel, emotions, and act as a result of this complex physical system, which is you. This means that your brain is a highly interconnected network of neurons and is responsible for your cognitive abilities and emotional experiences. The ability to think, feel, and act is a product of your physical being, and the ability to manifest what we desire in our life is based not only on flowing with the law of physical experiences, but also flowing with the consciousness or collective consciousness, observing and believing in the many laws that govern over universal energies. So now it is time to add another law that governs universal energy, the law of assumption. The law of assumption is a principle. Now, they say it's rooted in the New Age movement, and this is what Google and the other places call something that science cannot prove and is theoretical and created by the energy of belief. This principle suggests our thoughts and beliefs will create our reality. By consistently assuming a desired outcome, we can manifest it into our lives. When you think, what you think becomes what you get. So thinking negative becomes negative back, and thinking positive becomes positive back. There is not so much difference than in the law of attraction. The law of assumption and the law of attraction are often used interchangeably, but there are subtle differences between them. The law of attraction says that the like will attract like. This means that your thoughts and feelings, positive or negative, attract the same corresponding experiences into your life. For example, if you focus on negative thoughts, you may attract negative experiences and vice versa. The law of assumption takes a more direct approach. It suggests that by assuming a desired outcome as if it were already true, you can manifest it into your reality. The key is to believe that your desired outcome is or has already happened, and to feel the emotions governed by the five senses. So the law of attraction focuses on the power of your thoughts and feelings, while the law of assumption emphasizes the power of your belief system. Both principles suggest that your thoughts and beliefs can shape your reality. So I just feel this is just another way of using the law of attraction, but now focusing on the power of your belief in the desired outcome. Now back to the story of the twin flame journey and the laws that govern universal energy. Just like the laws that govern our physical existence, some laws govern universal energy that we are transmuting within ourselves and around ourselves, and that has a huge influence on our daily life. Manifesting using a meditation such as positive affirmations can help to shift our thoughts and beliefs that create our reality. That being said, you can manifest anything into your life, but you cannot manifest a specific person because it goes against universal laws to try to bend the will or mind of another soul. You cannot manifest a specific twin flame. You can manifest a twin flame using positive affirmations about your twin flame journey to attract the same into your life. This is the end of video number 1. Please click on the end screen for video number 2. Thank you for being a part of the DIY Affiliate and Collective Soul Journey. I appreciate all of my new readers, my new followers, and I appreciate all of the comments and the claps and the subscriptions. Have yourself a wonderful evening and see you in the next video.